lonely. Once I was
Come on, encourage him, alright? Encourage the contestant. Make some noise for Xavier! Yeah!
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. Buying levels, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never wished so we were out to make the city bigger. Once I was 11 years old, my father told me, go get yourself a wife when you be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my life before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to hold me. Cause only those that really love but never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was booming. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know this one is voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't leave before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old, I was thinking about everything I saw before me. Once I was our songs have been sold. We'll travel around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman and children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them story. Most of my boys are with me, some are still are seeking glory, and some are actually behind my brother. I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I was the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Well, I think the world is gone. Well, I have a lot of children looking for me. Soon I'll be 60 years old.
What they say? What I say to the artist? What are the people and tell him? What